guys, welcome back to Country Views. Sorry I haven't been on here very often, but there's been a lot of new things going on in our life, starting with this little girl. Her name is Athena. She is the newest part of our family. Say hi, Athena. Anyways, today I want to introduce you guys to something really, really yummy, simple, easy, cheap, and quick. It is my Salisbury steak sliders, and all you're going to start with is one of those Encore or Banquet frozen dinners, the Salisbury steak one. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first off, you want to get your oven preheating to 400 degrees, and then you want to get your baking dish out. Use whatever size is comfortable for your home. In this bowl, I have a stick of butter with parsley, basil, and garlic. You just want to melt it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You want to put a little bit of this in your dish, kind of spread it around. Okay, don't overpower it because you don't want to soggy the bottom of your bread. Now, what your next step is going to be is you're going to get a package of your Hawaiian rolls. You can use any brand. This is the brand that we are using today. And you're going to be placing them into your casserole dish. Make sure you use a casserole dish because you are going to be putting butter on top. Now, get you a good bread knife because you are going to need it to cut through these. And I always do single one or do them singly like so. And I just set the tops to the side. If it's easier for you to do them like this all at once, you can do that as well. Sometimes it is easier that way, and other times it's not. And you kind of just want to fit them in there. I guess it is going to be easier doing it like this. Set your tops to the side. Fit these little babies in here. Now see, here's the part where we have to break them apart to fit them in here. Like so. So you have that right there. Now what you're going to do is you are going to put cheese on them. And today we're just using our white American cheese. The singles. You just want to put as much cheese as you like. We do a lot of cheese usually because we love cheese, me and my husband. You just want to keep layering the cheese on like so. We'll break this one in half to make it go across here and here. And I think that'll probably be good on the cheese. Now your next step is you're going to come over here after heating up your Salisbury steak. Make sure you preheat it. And you want to just, let's see here. Let's take this part off so we can just bring it closer to us. Okay. So now you want to, and be careful because they'll fall apart. You want to start layering them on like this. Let's turn this one this way. We'll turn this one this way. And we'll just keep layering them on until they're all on here. You can use any brand that you like of the Salisbury steak. This was the brand that was on sale, so this is what I picked up. And we might have room for one more here. Yep, we were able to fit one more on here. Now, don't throw that gravy away. I'm going to show you what you're going to do with it when we're all done. Now, I made my homemade green jalapeno sauce. I will show you guys how to make that in another video, but we like it spicy, so we're going to throw some of that right on top. But don't overdo the spicy. Like so. And just keep doing as much or as little as you want. Now, if you don't want to go through the process of making my sauce, you can get green salsa, like the green salsa with the tomatillo. They also have the jalapeno one. Whatever you prefer, make it comfortable for your home. Now, we're going to start putting our tops on. You guys going with me here? Yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? I thought so. So keep layering your bread on. Just fit them all in there, and don't worry about how you put the tops on, because we're going to cut through anyways. So press them down like that, okay? Now, your leftover butter, here's where it comes into play. Right over the top, like so. This one needs a little more. And you want to just keep putting this on until your full stick of butter is on top of your bread. This prevents it from drying out, okay? Now you can have whatever side you want with this. Today we're just going to have some French fries. Alright, so now your next step is you're going to get you some heavy duty aluminum foil. And you're going to get a piece that's the size of your casserole dish. That looks about right. And you're going to cover it before you stick it in your oven. Now, while I'm covering this, I want to say thank you to Country View Juniors for revisiting us. Thank you for newcomers being part of the family. We really do appreciate it. And please share and like this video with your family members as well. So now you just want to cover it tightly, but it's still going to be a little loose on the sides. Now this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to keep checking it so you don't burn your bread. So when this is ready, then we'll pull it out of the oven and we will have a taste test. All right, guys, so it is out of the oven. Let's have a reveal and a taste test, and I will show you what I'm going to do with that leftover gravy. So here we go. There it is. Let's move out a little further so you can see this delicious yumminess. Ready? Oh, look at that, you guys. Is that not beautiful? Let's scoop one out and have a taste test, shall we? So you want to use a spoon that's slotted in case if there's any leftover juice, okay? And you're going to just cut around to get you a piece of bread here going, like the bottom and top together, which this one ain't cut good enough. Ooh, that cheese is hot. Now, if you want them to go longer, you can let it go longer. All right, so there is your little slider. Now, remember I told you gravy style? I had reheated it, put it in a bowl. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit on my plate here. All right, let's just set my plate here so you guys can see. For dipping. And then you're gonna have whatever side you want. So let's have a taste test. All right, guys, so let's have our taste test. There's my plate. Let's dip it in our gravy and be very careful because it is hot. Look at that. Oh, Guys, I'm telling you, these are one of the best sliders I've ever made. Let's dip it again. You guys want a bite? I know I do. So on that note, don't forget to have a napkin handy. It's messy. But anyhow, on that note, thank you for visiting Country Views. Be sure to check back for more videos. We have a lot more awesome videos coming your way. Thank you. Bye.